all the way out.
Relax everything. Oh! 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 Ooh!
What the?
Ooh! Whew! Shit, that was all the way.
Was that deeper than a year ago?
Yes.
Year and a half ago.
Damn. That's low. Which my problem is L5S1.
You felt that go, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's as deep as it goes.
So for that first second or two, you're trying to get air.
Mm-hmm.
But you feel it in your ribs. When you stood me up last time and you had me walk, I had not stood up that straight, that freely since the first car accident, which is about 20 years ago.
That was a good one.
Oof.
Still kicking too.
Yeah,
If crack's your solution, this was it.
Flat like this is no fun.
Yeah.
That stinks. And laying like this, there's no low back pressure.
That's awesome.
It's usually not pain. It's just pressure.
Discomfort.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
That sucks. Who wants to live like that? Everything feels good. I mean, that's so low the way that opened up.
Yeah.
Holy shit. It's all the way down to your tailbone. I love it.